Okay. You're going to want to go, we're going to start toning our photos. So you're going to want to go to DCMI on your SD card. You can see right here, that's where it's going to be located. Your computer might be a little bit different. And you're just going to pick a photo that you're going to start toning. First one we did was the image picture, so I'm just going to pick just one of these at random and bring it up. So we want to crop and we want to fix stuff. On our images, and like I told you before, we can go bigger, we can go smaller. On here, this is where your save in your close is. And we can go overlay, but we want this right here. So if we hit auto fix, that automatically fixes it. Whoa, that is not a great auto fix, so we're going to hit cancel on that. If that happens, then you're going to need to fix it on your own. So we're just going to go to color. And this is where you have the hue, saturation, the lightness. The hue is the intensity of the color. So you can see here, I can change the hue, but I don't want to do that. I want to keep my oranges where my oranges are, and so forth. You can go here and type in the box where you would want it at. So I don't want any negatives. I just want 0. Go back to 0 where it was. I can slide hue saturation, get brighter, get darker. We can take the color out. I want to go a little bit brighter. We're going to go about 15, and we can change the lightness. I want to make it just a little bit darker, not too dark, to add contrast. I'm going to hit apply. Okay, so that's how we just kind of fixed it there. What you want to do is you want to crop. We don't want any of the wood grain in, nor do we want the date. So we're going to need to go to crop and resize. Now I have a problem here. If I crop this out, then I'm cropping out some of my pictures. So I can either make that choice or can make another choice. I'm just going to take the top and bring the top down if I can. There we go. And I'm going to bring this in on this side. And
early out, no upstairs.
No upstairs. So I'm going to then hit crop and hit apply on this one, and I'm cropping out all my wood grain and so forth out of that. But I still have my dates in here, so we're going to go to heal. I showed you a little bit yesterday, hopefully. Heal. Where is heal? Go fire, right there. Heal. And then we can scrub this out, actually, and try to make it look like the background. And it'll take some work. We can get the brush size a little bigger. And we can take out the date so we don't see the date in there, because we don't want the date in there. And that's pretty much as far as you're going to take it. We're going to hit apply. Everything's applied. So the main thing that we're going to use is crop. Should autofix. If autofix isn't the right one, then we go to color. And then we go and we can heal if we cannot crop out the time and date stamp on it. I'm going to hit save. It's going to save it as a JPEG. You should name it. Anything that is easily recognizable to the image. And I'm going to hit save. You should have the option to save to your Google Drive. If you do so, save to Google Drive or save it back into the computer. You can create a new folder if you want to. I suggest to. And I'd label it Done Project. So it's easier to find images that you have manipulated. And then I'm going to hit save, and boom, it's going to be saved and done project as a JPEG. Close that out, and that would be the end of that explanation on how to do it.